Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My Gains Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo panood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat gusto magpa-code sa atin online, pwede pong about business, investment, or business consultation if you have for your existing business. Message ka na 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so 9 steps-by-step procedure on how to become successful or wealthy. Ito, alam niyo itong bagay na to, hindi ito naituro sa ating lahat sa school, hindi naituro ng mga, siguro if we have mentor, baka naturo sa atin to. Pero this one thing that I observed sa lahat ng mga naging matagumpay, the richest person in town, in the world, in the Philippines. So sa lahat ng mga minimension na yan, ito yung procedure I think na ginawa nila. Okay? So kung di man, siguro at least mga 50% ito ginawa nila. So, right, so let's do it, okay? So, step-by-step procedure. So, yan, there are 9. So, tingin ko there are 9, procedure on how to become really successful. Ibig sabihin po, kaya sa step-by-step, ito yung, dapat ito yung nauna, ito yung pangalawa, pangatlo. Kasi minsan nararumble natin eh. Kaya minsan, successful tayo ngayon, mamaya, na-down na tayo, di na tayo nakabangon. Because, meron tayong nalaktawan na procedure, right? So, drink your coffee, ballpen and get your ballpen, notebook, start tayo. Okay, so first is find your object of happiness. Yan, Doc, bakit happiness? Alright, so para sa akin kasi, yun yung una nating target, maging masaya tayo. Alam mo, pag naging masaya tayo, madali tayo ma-motivate. Alam mo, yung kapon topic ko yun eh. Nag-release tayo ng dopamine, and that's dopamine help us to focus, to give attention on our goals. Okay? So, kailangan masaya muna tayo. Di ba yung mga masaya, mga tao nakikita natin masaya, ang dali nilang magtrabaho, ang dali nilang makipag-usap sa tao. So, when you are happy, nagiging people-oriented ka, mataas yung level ng social life mo. And as a rich person, as a successful people, napakalaga ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Kaya walang masyadong nagtatagumpay ng ina-isolate ang sarili. Yung ayaw makipag-usap sa ibang tao. Walang ganon. Dapat sociable tayo. And nangyayari yun when you are happy. Madali makipag-mingle sa lahat ng klase ng tao. Okay? So, you have to be happy. Di ba? Kailangan tayong maging masaya sa buhay natin. So, paano ba nagkakaroon ng happiness, Doc? Object of happiness. Hanap ka lang ng bagay na ikakasaya mo. You can create it. Okay? So, for example, meron kang goals, meron kang mga plan. Kagaya ito, plan ko. Pakita ko sa inyo para ito object of happiness ngayon ni Doc. It's one of the happiness lang naman. So, target place natin ngayon 2020. Kasi I believe matatapos lahat ng to. So, November, December, I'll be visiting hopefully. Makapag-apply tayo sa US, Australia, or Canada. Or go to Batanes. So, isa sa mga lugar na yan, pupuntahan natin. So, I'll be buying, mag-iba na tayo ng brand na gamit natin. And I will build my farm in Pampanga. So, that's my object of happiness ngayon, okay? So, aside from other things, di ba, na meron tayo. So, dinagdagan ko lang. So, sinusunod ko siya. So, every time na, ngayon, pag nagigising ako, kanina, tinignan ko siya, wow. So, it will happen. Mas na-excite ako dyan yung I want to build my farm sa Pampanga. So, I want to have vegetable farms, may maliit na bahay, something like that, di ba? So, that can be your object of happiness. It can be your family, it can be your friends, it can be your hobby or anything. Basta make sure merong bagay o tao na makapagpapasese sila. Okay? So, second, so pag masaya na sila, okay, doon yung iba, hindi nila yan iniintindi. Kaya nga hindi nasusustain yung success eh. Kailangan you are always successful, happy from the very start of your journey. Sabi nga nila, di ba, happiness is not a destination. It's your journey. Nagsisimula ka pa lang sa lakbayan mo sa buhay, masaya ka na. At pag narating mo pa yung goal mo, double happiness. Double your happiness, di ba? Okay, so, second, na target nila, they need to earn first, alright? So, bago ang lahat nilang adventure, bago sila gumawa ng maraming bagay, bago bumili ng kotse, magnegosyo, mag-invest, bumili ng bahay, magpa-renovate ito, bago nila gawin yan, ang target nila actually is to earn first. Kumita muna sila. Dapat may pera muna sila. Okay? So, it can be by using their skill, sideline, partnership, or anything na sa simpleng bagay lang muna. Diba? It can be in their career, or sa paano mong paraan, sideline or anything. Basta, they will earn first. Okay? So, kaya nga, diba, sa mga nagtatanong sa atin, Doc, bahay ba o mag-invest na ba ako? Bibili na ba akong bahay? Sabi ko, focus muna tayo sa earning money, okay? So that's second, okay? And third, alright? So they are learning in building their brand. Alright? So yun yung third na step on how to become successful. So you have to learn muna. So nag-enroll sila sa e-course. Right? So, kasi may pera na sila eh. Di ba? Pag nagkaroon ka ng pera, you can buy book, you can attend seminar, paying it from your own pocket. And yun, so they are buying e-book, e-courses, or you know, they can go to other places to learn new things. They can hire people, they can pay mentor. That is establishing their brand or improving themselves, right? So they are spending money to learn. Kasi marami sa atin, mahirap magtagumpay. Seminar lang na 1,000, nahinayang. Di ba? 1,000 seminar to change your life. Di ba? So remember, leading ko ulit example ko, Chinkitan, paano siya naging mas prosigido sa buhay. He attended the seminar of Zig Ziglar and he paid a lot of money. Tony Robbins, bakit naging mas motivated? He attended the seminar of Jim Rohn na mahal din. Alright? So, that means we have to spend something for our learnings. Bisan, libro lang na 300, ayaw mo pa. Eh, pag kumain tayo sa labas, mga 500, maubos pa natin eh. Diba? Alright? So, okay. So, after this, they are learning. So, na-discover na nila, ito na yung skills nila, ito dapat nilang gawin, na-improve na sila. Slowly, they are starting to build their brand. So, that is the time to build their business. Okay? Hindi agad business kasi hindi ka pa nag-improve personally eh. Alam niyo, matagal bago ako nag-business. So, I work in an academy for how many years, then nag-seminar muna tayo, nag-vlog muna tayo, then doon tayo nagsimulang mag-business. So doon nang natutunan na natin mga principles. Doon nag-business ako before, nag-fail, kasi nga, business agad eh. I first launched my junk shop 20 years ago. Ganoon siya katagal eh. Parang gano'n, 15 years. So, it failed, kasi nga, nag-shortcut ako eh. So, from being business agad ako, so hindi tayo pa natuto ng mga maraming bagay, okay? So, they build their business to have source. Diba? Para may source, right? Then, pag kumikita na yung business nila, they focus on 3 things only. Diba sabi nga, maraming shining objects around us. So, you just speak. Kasi pag ginawa natin lahat yung tuunan lahat natin ng pansin, mahirap ang focus natin. 3 to 5, I think. So, if you already have your business or meron ka ng magandang career, you focus on 3 things, okay? So, ito, focus ko ngayon. 3 to 5 things. Okay, pero pagdad ka na, pwede na 6. Ito yung focus natin ngayon. And sabi ko, naglagay ako 2 days ago. So, alright. So, ito yung focus natin. So, pili. So, ito muna, mag-i-book tayo, mag-i-course. We'll be doing webinar, YouTube, FB page, seminar, offline. I-open na natin, papa-franchise natin sa lahat ng mga interested, coaching and consultation. So, nag-note ako dito, no other business muna in 3 months. Okay? So, yan muna. Hindi muna ako mag-open ng ibang business, hindi muna tayo gagawa ng ibang bagay. Yan muna. And may plan naman tayo dito. After 3 months, meron kaming, we'll restart podcast and isa pa, parang meron kaming subscription joints, ng team ko yan, project namin ng team. So, pero, it's after 3 months, pag nalip na yung lockdown, so dyan tayo magpo-focus, okay? So, focus on 3 things muna, like, kung meron kang albawa, discover mo that nagkaroon ka ng isang business, food cart, simple lang, okay? Focus ka muna doon, then, meron kang online, something like that. So, wag lahat punta natin. So, pag stable na yan, doon na lang tayo maggawa ng iba, di ba? So, like Jeff Bezos, ngayon, imagine the richest person in the world is focusing on 3 things only. There are only 2 now, aside from Amazon. Okay? So, ganon. Kasi nga, you need full attention for your new project, eh. Right? Okay. So, join the Rich Club. Hindi to yung kay Boss Sanchez, hindi to yung kay Boss Sanchez na truly rich club, hindi. I mean, eto na, nagkakaroon na sila ng group. So, network on other people, rich people, successful people. So, nagkakaroon na sila ng group. Okay? So, eto na yung mga kaibigan nila sa FB, eto na successful na. Kasi, nare-recognize na rin sila. Imagine, meron na silang brand, okay? So, meron na silang business and they are doing other things. So, nare-recognize na sila ng ibang tao, pero tinatawagan na sila. So, parang ngayon, di ba, tinatawagan tayo ng mga successful people, nakakatuwa nga kasi minsan yung mga nauna pa sa atin before, na idol natin that time, so, di nila ako kilala na. So, ngayon, kinokontak nila tayo for possible partnership. So, yun yung, pwede ka na mag-join. Hindi yung join agad, madidisappoint ka lang kasi they will not respect you. Okay? Yung wala ka pang brand, wala ka pang something na patunayan, wala kang pera, hindi tayo masyado papansinin, di ba? So, tayo magre-reach out. Pero ngayon, sila na yung nagre-reach out sa atin. Okay? Kasi, alam nila na meron na tayong influence. You call it influence. Okay? Alright, so, okay, and, number 7 natin, alright, so, ito. They also borrow money. Okay? To venture into other things, to expand their business. So, talagang gano'n, lahat sabi nga ni Grant Cardone, even Netflix, so pinanood ko yung historian niya, may mga, ano sila, parang something like that, they are borrowing money to expand, to diversify. Okay? Alright, and number 8, eto, panood ko kapon kay Mark Cuban, selling your business. Pag nag-grow na siya, then you think you want to pursue to other things, or meron kang isang area, you think you can't manage, and yung pagbebentahan mo, kayang i-manage, so you sell. So, he sold broadcast.com ata. So, 2 businesses ang binenta niya. Yung isa sa Yahoo niya binenta. So, overnight, naging billionaire si Mark Cuban, di ba? Okay, and last, number 9 step nila. Lahat ng successful and rich people, they are being paid for what they know. I know this skill, I know this knowledge, then you pay me, I can deliver my services. Di ba kaya sila nagiging speaker, nagiging consultant, kasi ang dami na nilang knowledge. Natutunan nila sa ibang bansa, natutunan nila over the years, natutunan nila in running their own company. So yun na, they become successful. And they are being paid for that skill, knowledge, yung value ng sarili nila, yun yung binabayaran. They are getting paid for that. Kaya sila lalo nagiging mayaman. So, hindi ka pwedeng magpunta dito na babayaran mo ako. Who are you, di ba? Di ba, maninil ka niyang, wala kang track record, wala kang branding. So, that's why you have to start with this. 9 steps to make you successful, to have influence to other people, to be hired by the companies, by different schools, okay? Alright, so, Doc, paano bang gagawin na yan? So, I can be your mentor, message ka na sa akin, okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lalmaybian natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago tumula nating buhay. Thank you very much, Universe. Enjoy the rest of the day, yeah? Let's go, let's go.